A very pleasant good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine. Very well. Okay. So, dear students, have you completed your homework? Have you checked the website, school website? Yes. Lesson number 2, question answer, exercise, all we have given to you. Okay. So, please note it down in your classwork copy. Now, today's topic is nest of birds. Today's topic is nest of birds. Yes, in lesson number 3 we are studying, okay, and right now what we have studied about the birds, all type of birds, all type of beaks, all type of feet and claws and feathers, okay, and now we are going to study about the nest of birds. What is nest? Yes, very good. Nest is a house of bird. Okay. But tell me, students, why the birds need house? Or why do we need house? Okay. First, let me clarify. We need house to protect ourselves from heat, rain, cold, stray animals, okay, and etc. Okay. So, and to take rest also, because full day we are working and at last at night we have to take rest. Where we have to take rest? In our home. Okay, so here also birds are flying every day. From the morning till evening they are flying. Why they are flying? Because of in search of food and shelter. Okay, mostly they are searching for the food and water. Okay, and then birds make the nest. Okay, like we are making our home with the bricks, cement, sand, okay, irons, like that only birds are also prepare their homes with the help of twigs, okay, sticks, grass, dry grass. Okay, have you seen some of the birds are coming and with the in its beak grass is there and it's coming to your house, and in the one corner they are making some nest. Okay, so this is the home of birds. Okay, nest, we call the nest. And there are variety of birds, we know that variety of birds are having variety of different types of beaks also, and according to their beaks or their habit, okay, they build the different types of nest also. All the nests are not same. Okay, some birds are building nest with the help of grass. Okay, some birds are making nest in the with the help of leaves. Some birds are making nest with the help of twigs and sticks. Okay, some are making in a bushy trees. Okay, some are making in a tall trees. Okay, and then some of the birds are not making the nest also. Okay, but yes, they lay the eggs, okay, in the other's nest. That also we will study later. Okay, so here we are going to see the nest. First, how the birds build the nest, which type of material they are using. Okay, why they need the nest, why they need the nest. They build the nest to lay the eggs and to keep their young ones safe and warm. Okay, in the air they cannot lay the eggs na. Okay, so they lay the eggs in the nest and then they keep their young ones, their babies, safe. Okay, so first type of bird nest we will study, that is eagle's nest. In your book it is given. The first one is eagles. Okay, first one is eagle's nest. Eagle's nest. Eagle is a praying bird. We have studied that. Okay, eagle is a praying bird. Praying bird means which eat flesh of other animals. Yes, very good. Okay, so these praying birds are flying at a high height. Okay, so they need to build the nest at the top of the tree. Okay, in your book it is written the eagle's nest is a huge pile of twigs. Pile of twigs means collection of twigs. Okay, collection of twigs. Clear? Then many sticks they will use to make the nest, and on the top of the tree they will prepare the nest. In the picture you can see how the eagle, vulture, they are making the nest on the top of the tree. Okay, the next is tailor's bird. Okay, tailor's bird nest. Tailor bird's nest. What this tailor? Tailor means who stitches our clothes. But tailor birds means some of the birds are stitching the nest. Okay. How they prepare their nest? By stitching the two leaves, two big leaves they will take, and at the edge of the leaves they will make the hole with their needle like beak. Okay, and then they will stitch the leaves with some grass or some spider's web. Spider's web means makdi ke jale se. Okay, and many other things, thread, wool, they are searching, and they, if they found, they will tie. Okay, like this you can see two big leaves. Okay, two leaves are there, and this point they will stitch, and upside will be entrance will be there. Okay, so this is the tailor bird's nest. Okay, next is weaver's bird's nest. In your book it is given. Third is weaver's birds. What is the meaning of weaver? Yes, tailors means who stitches the clothes, or here birds who stitch the two big leaves to make its nest. Weaver's bird's nest. weaver's bird's nest means, weavers means बुनकर, जो बुनते हैं. Okay, in our house grandmothers are using the two sticks na, they are weave our sweaters. Okay, like that only weavers birds use leaves. Okay, and grass, especially they use the grass. Okay, and their conical shaped beak help them to tie the knots. Weavers birds are very intelligent. They use the grass. Okay, many grass they will collect, and then they will start stitching and weaving. Okay, they will weave the grass with the help of their conical shaped beak and with the help of their feet. Okay, and they make the knots very nicely, and then their nest will be ready. You can see that in your book also. How nicely they are weaving. Okay, and this is the entrance point. Okay, so this is the weaver's nest. Okay, so here eagle's nest we have studied, tailor's bird nest, and weaver's bird nest. Once again I am going to repeat. Okay, eagle's nest, they will make the nest at the top of the tree with the help of sticks. Okay, piles of twigs. Clear? Then tailor's bird's nest, they will use two big leaves, they will sew together. Okay, or stitch together. Clear? Then weaver's bird's nest, weavers will, what they will do, they will weave the grass with the help of their conical beaks, and with the help of their feet they will make the knots, and they will prepare a beautiful nest. Okay, next is woodpecker's nest. Yes, next is woodpeckers. In your book it is given down. Okay, page number 43. Woodpecker's nest. How the woodpeckers, woodpeckers, which type of beak they are having? Yes, very good. They are having chisel shaped beak. Okay, and yes, this chisel shaped beak helps them to drill. Drill means bores. Okay, drilling machine you can see. Okay, to make a drill they are using, so that woodpecker's beak, it's a chisel shaped beaks and it's work like a drill machine. So in a big trunk, tree trunk, okay, hardwoody stem, in that they will make the nest. They will drill the wood, okay, and they will make a beautiful nest. In that they will stay, lay the eggs, and some insects also they were eating. Okay, now the next is some of the birds. Okay, they are making different kinds of nest. In your book it is given hummingbird. Hummingbird is having sharp, okay, needle like beak. They build a tiny nest. Why? Because they are very small in size. As I have told you that is the hummingbird is the smallest bird. Okay, and how they will make? They will make their nest with the help of spider's web, मकड़ी के जाले से. Okay, penguins build their nest on the ground because penguins are not flying. Okay, penguins are heavy body. Okay, so they are living on a icy area, land area, so they will make their or prepare their nest on the ground. Some birds like house sparrow like to nest in a protected hole. House sparrow, which is coming in our house, they used to make the next in a protected hole. Protected hole means the place where it is any and other animals are not coming and it is safe for the sparrow, so they will go in that hole and they will occupy that place as a nest. Okay, then blackbirds use mud to strengthen their nest. Blackbird is also there. They use the mud also to to uh, give the strength to the nest. Once the main frame of the nest is complete, they line it with feathers, animals' hair, and grass. Yes, dear students, these birds are very clever, okay, and these birds are very intelligent also. They are using many things: hair of the animals, fur of the animals, feathers of other birds, grass, twigs, old clothes, wool, and many other things they are using to make the one nest. Okay, and it is very difficult for them to prepare the nest. Okay, so try to give some water or food, okay, to the birds, and you can see if you will continuously if you will give the food and water to your birds. Okay, so they will make the home or make their nest in your home only. Okay, and you can see how they are bringing one by one the grass they are bringing, and how they are preparing a beautiful nest. Okay, these are the natural things. If you can see, please watch it. Okay, and enjoy it. Okay, then next is some of the birds do not make nest. In that, one name is very famous, cuckoo bird. Cuckoo bird is also known as, yes, quail. Okay, she is very clever. She never make the nest. Okay, and that is why it is also known as lazy bird. Okay, so don't be lazy like cuckoo bird. Okay, so cuckoo bird is laying eggs in the crow's nest. Okay, or some other bird's nest, and after that she fly. Okay, so that is the thing that birds do not make nests, that is cuckoo bird. Okay, so here once again one chart is given there, nest of some birds. Okay, that we have already just now we have studied. Okay, this eagle's nest, tailor's bird nest, weaver bird's nest, woodpecker's nest, and some other animal some other birds nest is also given there. Okay, so now once again we will revise. What is nest? Nest is, yes, nest is the house of birds. Why do the birds make nest? Birds makes nest to lay their eggs and keep their young ones safe and warm. Okay, how the birds make the nest or which type of materials they are using? The birds use twigs, okay, sticks, uh, feathers, animals fur, animals hair, okay, and then wool, silk clothes, okay, and other rough clothes, pieces of clothes, okay, many things, and cotton, leaves, dry leaves, they all, dry grass, okay, these things they collect and prepare the nest. And different types of birds make different types of nest as per their body size. Okay, so this is the topic of today's nest of birds. I hope you have understood the topic. Okay, if any doubt is there, any word is there, please underline it, mark it, and please try to find it with the help of dictionary, with the help of your parents. Okay, and dear parents, please help them to your word to complete the works, and please learn it. Students, please learn the question answers exercises. Okay, once the school will reopen, we will revise. Okay, revision will be there, and then your exam will be there. So please be serious. Okay, time to time eat healthy foods, play games. Okay, okay, time to time playing is also important, games is also important. Okay, so and do the exercise and take rest, and time to time study also. Okay, so for today, nest of birds, this is our topic. This clear? Okay, so till then, take care. Okay, goodbye.